Hello, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Srishti. I study in LKJA, Indian Learners Own Academy. Today, I'm going to do a puppet show based on Aesop's fable, A Lion and the Mouse. So this is the story how they became friends. I hope you like the show. Roar, I am king of the jungle. I am big and mighty. Roar, now I'm very sleepy. I must take a nap. Oh, look at this fluffy little thing. I'm going to run and jump on it. Whee! Roar! Who is disturbing me? Who is disturbing the king of the jungle? Oh, King Lion, please forgive me. I'll repay your kindness if you let me go. Ha ha ha! How can a small creature like you be off with you? Run away and stay out of my place. Now I'm feeling very hungry. I must go something to eat. Oh, now I'm a hunter's net. Help me. Oh, that sounds my friend the lion. I must save him. Oh, King Lion, don't worry. I'll save you. I'll nibble this net. Nibble, 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 nibble. Oh, now I'm free. Oh, now I'm free. Thank you, little mouse. I'm sorry I made fun of you. Come on, let's be friends. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Thank you. The moral of the story is, even the smallest can be great help. Never underestimate anyone. Thank you.